Ayaw ng defense panel buksan ang pangalawang envelope. Maliwanag po. Dahil ito po ay pag-aari ni Presidente Joseph Ejercito Estrada.
That should be Article 3, Section 14, Paragraph 2, gives to the accused in a criminal case the right to be informed of the nature and the cause of the accusation against him. It is because of this constitutional dictate that our rules of court provides rules for admissibility and relevance.
Our job here is to ferret out the truth. The people deserve nothing less than to know the truth. Payagan po natin malaman ng taong bayan ang katotohanan sa pagbukas po ng pangalawang dokumento.
Alas 2 hanggang alas 8, Lunes hanggang Biyernes, impeachment ang laman ng telebisyon. At nung Martes na yon, Day 23 ng impeachment trial, January 16, ang pinakamahabang araw ng paglilitis. Alas 10 na yata nang matapos ang lahat. Wala naman daw dapat isekreto sa second envelope. Ang sabi ni Congressman Joker Arroyo, abogado ng prosecution, listahan ito ng mga nagdeposito sa account ni Jose Velarde sa Equitable PCI Bank.
The President violated every word of his oath except his name. Little did I realize that he violated even his name because he's ashamed of it.
Higit 3 oras pinagtalunan ng defense at prosecution ng second envelope. Pero bago pa man nagsalita ang mga abogado, ay luto na raw ang desisyon. Sa caucus ng umaga, ay malinaw na lamang sa boto ang mga pro-ERAP. Ayaw nila ipaubaya kay Chief Justice Davide ang pasya dahil kung nagkataon, ipalalabas ng presiding officer ang nilalaman ng second envelope. Pinilit na lamang ni Senador Sergio Osmeña na magkalabasan ng boto. Malaman man lamang ng taong bayan kung sino-sino ang 11 senador na gustong ibaw ng ebidensya ng prosecution.
To open, the vote should be yes. And a vote not to open, the vote should be no.
Umaga pa lamang ay alam na ng mga taga-media ang planong walkout ng prosecution panel.
May I explain my vote?
The Senate President may explain his vote.
I vote to open the second envelope. I vote to do so because that is the only way to determine whether or not the contents of the envelope are relevant or material to the case at bar. Because of this development, Mr. Chief Justice, I realize that the noes have it, and therefore I resign my presidency of the Senate as soon as my successor is elected.
Pero nabigla ang lahat nang magbitiw si Senate President Aquilino Pimentel Jr. kahit siya'y nadismaya sa pangmamaniobra daw ng mga pro-ERAP.
You have 10 yes votes and 11 no votes. The no votes have it. The motion is approved until tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Maraming naluha sa eksenang ito. Mabibilang ito sa mga hindi malilimutang sandali sa impeachment trial.
saan po ginawa niyo desisyon? Patrick, ibig sabihin po ba nito naniniwala kayong Philippine Pangulo? Arvin!